Gallon because I had, or about a gallon and a half because I had 2 partial kits of antifreeze after we were done.
Well, we don't know if we lost 100% or just partial.
Don't know.
Where'd the radiator cap run off to?
Do we need to like do a little circle or something?
Just one circle. We'll be ready in 5 minutes.
Okay.
So we're going to put the radiator cap back on it. We're approaching the bridge. So when we get push and twist, it's 2 steps. Okay, good. That's it.
That's on sideways.
Oh, it's cocked.
I think that's it.
Yep, that's it. The ears on the cap are lined up with the rubber hose. Okay, so what we're going to do is we will start this engine and drive with 2 engines through the drawbridge. Wish us luck.